The world of snakes. The world of snakes is very exciting, although it is the most deadly reptile or creature ever, and one of the wonders of snakes is the amazing ability of some species to kill 100 men with one bite, and some of them appear in the form of a deadly snake even though they do not carry poison. Taipan is the most poisonous in the world. The inland taipan snake is the most poisonous snake in the world, and it lives in Australia, and scientists believe that only one bite of this snake can kill 100 men, and the poison has the property of infecting warm-blooded organisms especially, such as humans, and the poison works to damage the nervous system, blood and muscles the victim. Achis carinatus, the killer of humans. It is the most deadly snake, although it is not the most venomous of them, as the bite of the sand snake Achis carinatus is not fatal, as about 90% of its victims survive the effects of the bite without treatment. Despite this snake that lives in the sandy desert, especially on the coast of the Gulf region, is one of the most deadly snakes to humans, because it is aggressive and bites quickly and intensely, and therefore its bites result in many cases of poisoning and death. Anaconda, lover of darkness. As for the dark lover anaconda, it is the largest snake in the world that belongs to the boas family, and it lives in deep rivers in forests of meters and weighs up to 200 kilograms. The average length of this snake reaches 4 meters and an average weight of up to 30 kilograms, and the anaconda overcomes its victim by wrapping it on the victim and then slowly suffocating it. The extinct Titanoboa. It is believed that the Titanoboa was the largest snake that lived on the surface of the Earth, 40 million years ago. It is also believed that its length reaches 13 meters and its weight may reach 1,135 kilograms. A snake appears next to it, the remains of the backbone of the extinct Titanoboa snake that scientists found in Colombia. Tetracolostomma carli, the smallest in the world. The snake Tetracolostomma carli is the smallest among the types of snakes in the world, and its length does not exceed 10 centimeters, and its diameter does not exceed the diameter of spaghetti, as mentioned by Blair Hedges of the University of Pennsylvania in America, who discovered it in 2008, and this snake feeds on termites and larvae and lives on the island of Barbados in the Caribbean Sea. The greedy tiger snake. Snakes can dislocate the lower jaw to swallow animals larger than the size of the snake itself, but sometimes the greed of the snake is fatal to it. Greedy tiger snake. Gabonesa defiance. The Gabonesa snake is distinguished by its great ability to change its color and shape, and its head can appear as a dead leaf for camouflage and live in the African rainforests, in addition to its long, poisonous fangs, which reach 5 centimeters in length, and this snake is not aggressive, and rarely attacks humans. Snake king. The king snake is not considered poisonous, but it deceives animals that do not know it, and it appears as a poisonous snake in order to frighten them, and the snake imitates the king, who carries the colors of red, white and black, the poisonous coral snake, and acts like him. Sea snakes. Snakes live in the seas, and they can live even in coral reefs. In addition to that, they return to the land to search for prey and to mate. Some types of sea snakes are among the most poisonous creatures in the world, and they differ from fish as they do not have gills, and need to get out of every once in a while to breathe out of the water. Flying Chrysopelea snake. It can jump and fly in the air, which is why it is called the flying snake, and it can fly for a distance of 30 meters, and it feeds on rodents, lizards and birds, including bats, and does not pose any danger to humans.